Black Friday and Cyber Monday are 2 days that can make or break your holiday sales. Well, there is no denying that a lot rides on the discount that you are offering during the BFCM, but there is so much more that goes on under the surface. Right from planning the perfect offer to setting up the website, everything needs to be streamlined. There are literally hundreds of plugins that can help you prep for the holidays, but you have so little time to test and get them to work. And as a WooCommerce store owner, I understand the overwhelm. So to save you time, here are 5 plugins that can help you crush the upcoming holiday season like a pro. First up, we have the Smart Manager plugin. If you sell multiple products on your website, even a handful, you will need to make sure everything is working well, updating stock levels, slashing prices, working with coupons, and a lot more. With Smart Manager, you get a familiar spreadsheet view where you can bulk edit product prices, inventory and orders, and even manage coupons, all within minutes. No more endless clicking or manual updates, just a quick search, select what you need to change, and boom, it's done. Next, we have the Smart Coupons plugin. So having a coupon plugin on your WooCommerce store is an absolute necessity. And Smart Coupons is the most trending coupon plugin in this space. With Smart Coupons, you can bulk generate coupons, group them by categories, and even automate sending them out via email. Not just that, Smart Coupons lets you customize your coupons within seconds. You can set up rules to target specific customers based on their location, payment method, or their order history. You can even send beautiful gift cards, which are perfect for the holiday season. Coupons are great, but before jumping into configuring your offer, I recommend you to look at your past holiday data. Wondering how? Try Putler. Putler is an analytics tool for e-commerce and SaaS businesses that provides detailed reports and insights across products, sales, customers, website traffic, and a lot more. During the BFCM, you can compare the previous holiday seasons and find out what has worked for your business in the past. From 17+ data sources, Putler will quickly pull up key information like which year you made the most revenue, which season performed better, Halloween, Black Friday, Christmas, which were your most popular products, which customer segment brings in the most revenue, new, returning. Based on these key insights, you can then make informed decisions while planning your upcoming holiday sale. You can replicate the marketing activities that got you success, make budgeting decisions based on your better performing customer segment, stock up the inventory of your best sellers, and do a lot more. Moreover, Putler's Sales Heat Map offers a powerful visual tool to help you track the time periods during each day when your store performs best. The heat map uses colored dots, darker ones showing the peak sales times and lighter ones indicating slower periods. These patterns give you clear insights into the most effective times to launch discount offers or special deals, helping you maximize sales during BFCM. All in all, don't rely on guesswork. Let Putler assist you in drawing up a data-driven plan and drive more sales. Just like you get ready for any important life event, you need to get your website ready for the big day, the BFCM. And what better than IceGram Engage to help you with it? IceGram Engage doesn't limit you to pop-ups. It provides you 12 different message types that you can use to make your offer appealing to your website visitors. Not just that, you can use powerful targeting rules to control who views the message when and where. IceGram Engage even allows you to split test your marketing messages and automatically picks the best performing campaigns so you can clock in more conversions. For even better results, use IceGram Engage alongside Putler's Sales Heat Map. By combining IceGram's targeting capabilities with the precise insights from Putler's Sales Heat Map, you can launch your campaigns at the exact times when your website gets the most traffic and sales. This combination ensures your offers hit at peak performance periods, increasing both the effectiveness and accuracy of your campaigns. Final pick: emails. Once you have decided on the offer and have done all the groundwork, you need to promote the offer to your list. So the next plugin is IceGram Express. IceGram Express can help you set up personalized email campaigns, send abandoned cart reminders, and even automate blog post notifications or newsletters, all from within WordPress. What's really great is that IceGram Express integrates smoothly with WooCommerce, letting you send targeted emails to your customers based on their behavior, whether they've just subscribed or abandoned a cart. And with advanced automation triggers, you'll be saving time while still delivering relevant, timely content that converts. And that's it. These were our 5 must-have plugins to help you crush BFCM and make this your most profitable holiday season yet. But I'm sure there are plenty of other plugins out there that can help during the BFCM rush. So, if you have any favorite plugins, share your picks in the comments section below.